Hey guys, I'm back, and today we are going to be doing Irked, which is an easy Linux box. It's also part of liankusangi's OSCP like list, which preps you for the OSCP. This box is mainly rated as a medium machine by the community, but hopefully it'll be easy for us, and we're able to complete it quite quick because it's 2 a.m., I can't sleep, and I want to do other things as well. But it's worth spending some time to at least do one box. So I got my notes here, and over here I ran an all port scan, and this is each port individually, and I forgot to run my other SU scan. Let's change this poison to Irked. Change this to 7. So we can start hitting it off over here, and go with port 80 RPC. Let's go for RPC. I wonder what we have for 111. Let's split this left to right. Right over here. We don't really have any of this showing. Let's just go with. There's one command that I'm looking for. Show mount. This one is. It's probably not going to show anything because we didn't get it from our nmap scan, and it should show there, but we can still run it just for clarity. Okay, perfect. 6697, I have no ideas what these ports are, so I'm just going to go here and go straight to Hatrix. And over here, what's the port? 66976669, nothing. IRC 6667. Okay, let's try 80. 80. What's the next stuff? 6767, nothing. Let's just go IRC and check this one out. Can support TLS, manual. So there's nothing much that we find over here. Wow, we do find this actually, irk.hackthebox. We find this thing over here. I don't know if Hacktrick having that, kind of weird. But let's run this command first and see what we get. Paste this here, and let's go with. Alright. We don't have the service we need for UDP, but let's continue this. 6697. Looking up hostname opened notice authentication. Great, so are we going to be able to authenticate? Oh, we can run some commands. Couldn't resolve your hostname using your IP instead. Okay. So let's write help. You have not registered. Okay. So why don't I register then somehow? I know how this works. Let's do info. You have not registered. Maybe version. Supported. And what the hell is this? This seems kind of weird. I'm gonna make a note of it. Get out of here. Nano notes. And I actually noticed one more thing. We have the host info over here. So let's do sudo nano executable/host. Let's change this. And so now we gotta figure this out, what the hell this does, man. Let's try the names command. Does not work. How about this? Something happened. Alright then. Let's see if the help command works. No. List who is root admin. Oh, we found something. And we actually have this over here as well. The thing that I noted. So nano notes. Oh, it's not over there what I noted. But it's something. So we have this information now. Am I able to log in with this user? Oh, this was that random thing. No. Alright, let's see how this works. We can try this. Let's connect again. Username, where do I start? Let's just do Bob. Bob, and the password of this. You have not registered. Okay. Am I able to brute force this? User host not registered. Oh, I gotta put a username there. So let's try Bob. I don't think I could run these commands, to be honest. Well, how did I miss this command? Users? What is it called? Yeah, I could try that. Strange time. Who is Bob? I think all we can run is that admin one. Interesting. I'm gonna try this. Last command to try. Do. Come on. Nothing happened. Oops. Okay, Oh shit, something happened. Welcome to... What are these weird strings as well? So let's add this to my notes over here. And we have a couple of weird strings here. And yeah, alright then. So now let's try a bit of searching here. Let's do the help command. Okay, so that's the help command. Let's check out other things as well. Info. Unreal, blah 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 blah. Okay. Let's go with links. Alright then. I'm going to ignore these for now. And let's see if admin inf command gives the same info that we had before. And it does. Let's go to users. Now hopefully we get a lot more. Users have been disabled. Okay. Stats A. What the hell does this show? Okay. Names. Nothing. Okay. List. Now I gotta do who is and then Bob. Who is Bob? Okay. Who is Bob Smith? Who is this user then? So we really don't get much actually. Bob Interesting 302. I think that might be an error message. Let's try running it with this now. Interesting. I'll take note of that as well. Now here we can use alright, let's just do help now. And we should do it without the admin away creds vhost user IP. Oh, we can do vhost. Okay. Nicknames. Oh, user. Interesting. So from this, I'm actually going to take the version number that we found, unreal this, and look for exploits. Backdoor command injection. And I'm also going to go for the IP irked.hackthebox and check out what this website could have. Just take a quick look at it. Irk is almost working. So it's related to this thing as well. Let's check the source code real quick. Everything is pretty much hinting to this. Irk.jpg. Interesting. Okay, let's go with this now. This is a Metasploit thing, so let's make this video fun and actually run this Metasploit script for this. So, since we barely use this, MSF console. Majority of the time, anything you see on, which is a Metasploit script, you're able to find it using a GitHub. If this doesn't work, we can, yeah, it's right over here. But let's do this this way. So you said Unreal. Okay. Hopefully my internet connection isn't that bad. I'm right now using a hotspot, so yeah. Come on. Alright, let's check out the other GitHub as well at the same time. Okay, search. And here we have it. Let's do use 0 options. Set our host to this IP. Let's just run it. Payload has not been selected. Interesting. I mean, they should have made it a requirement then for this. But let's just go set payload. Let's just do reverse. Now we have a couple. We'll just try this first and say run. There's no option for lhost. Okay, set lhost. Lhost 10.10.14.12. Let's run this, see what comes up. So the connection was refused. Alright, let's just go with the GitHub page then. It's taking quite a while because my internet is very slow. Six 667, correct? 6697. Okay. Let's try that again. Set our port 6697 and then click run. Ooh, okay. Please, for the love of God, work. Command session. Oh, okay. So I guess that's foothold. That was very simple. am I already in it? ID. Hmm. No, I'm not aborting this. Do I? Okay, yeah. Let's go set payload, and I want to change this to something Linux. Actually, show targets. Okay. So they're all giving me this. Reverse seemed to have worked, but I think a better idea is to do generic. Let's try generic. Reverse. I mean, I could go with Perl. Don't know if this is gonna work though. I think we gotta give it a moment. Okay, it worked. Perfect. Let's try to get a proper reverse shell inside of this. So I'm thinking of actually this is what I'm thinking. Sudo netcat lvp. Gonna go with this and a reverse shell. 10, 10, 14, 12, 9000. Should I just do this? Or we can try this one. Oh no, nope, never mind. Perl. Let's go Linux. I'm gonna go with the Python one only because where is it? It always works for me. So let's try this one first. And let's actually change this to 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy and send this. Okay. I guess that didn't work. Let's do ID. Oh, it did work. ID. Come on. Perfect. Let's get a proper shell. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pause my video and open Obsidian. I don't want anything private to show up, so give me a moment. Okay, so something private did show up, but I moved it. It was just my interview notes. Besides that, let's see where we are at. Yeah, let's run this command. Copy. Come on. Hurry up. What is going on here? Guess it didn't like that command. ID. It doesn't work every time. I don't want to abort it. Oops, it worked. Perfect. So I can do this. We get this. Let's try to change this up a bit and let's do... okay, I think I gotta change it in here. Let's do bin sh and python 3. So we can remove this. Wow. No way this is not gonna work either. Did it not work? What the hell? Let's try bash again, but with python 3, so we can change this to bash. If this doesn't work, I think we're going to completely stop trying to do this. Okay, great. Control Z, run this command. Run this. And there we go. We are now good to go. Immediately I'm just gonna check out the perms here, because it has some things. Bad words, config settings, so we have quite a lot over here. What I'm gonna do is take a look over here. Are we like, wait, where are we? So we're in the home area of this. Okay. Dot selected. Okay. Let's go a bit back. This is very slow. ls. So I do have this weird user over here. Let's see if we're able to go inside of it. And do we have access to this? No, we do not. But we may have access to other things inside of here. No, we don't have access to that. We can just confirm that as well. Oops. Yep. Let's go cd desktop, since we are able to go inside of it. Nothing. cd download. Oh, there's a SSH key right over there. cd.ssh. Oh, okay, never mind. We don't got access to that either. Did we go into downloads? We gotta go to documents. What the hell? Why is there another user.txt here? This is readable and writable by everyone, and we're able to see this. And this as well, we're able to see what it is. Super Elite Steg password backup. Let's try to SSH with this to use this user, whatever this guy's name is, with this password. So let's do SSH this at Irked. Yeah, baby, let's do this. Super Elite Steg password backups. Password. Okay. Alright then. So we can just get the hell out of here. It's not working. but we're going to add this to our notes. Where the hell? ls nano notes. Oh, it's already opened. It's open somewhere. So, okay. Now let's check the user system uname/a to see anything. Okay, since we do have an old this, I'm thinking of looking for exploits regarding this. This is probably going to be used somewhere. It says steg, so I'm thinking steganography, but I don't know like where it'll go from there. What picture that we would use. So I'm just gonna go and check this right now. Maybe there's another way around this. Exploit. Kernel blah 3.16 I notify local privilege esc kernel exploits. Is GCC installed on here? It is installed. It is installed. So I know this image is showing up, but I don't think it's gonna be used. Kernel. So we're trying to go with this one. I mean, it's worth a shot. Overlays. It has 3 matching, so 1, 2, 3. Let's go with this. What is it called? OSF. That's not what I'm looking for. Overlay. I'm not going to take this, I'm going to take this, and we're going to compile this. So let's download this. I don't really think this is going to work, but it's worth a shot. Move, download. What is this called again? OFS. Python 3M. Now let's run this. I probably shouldn't do it here. wget 10, 10, 14, 12. It's just super slow. Let's let this go. Steg. Sudo app install steg. I think it's called steg hide. It is so slow and annoying, honestly. It's my internet. It's my internet. Give me a moment. I'm gonna be. Actually, I'll just check on my phone if my router is working finally. Well, it doesn't seem like it is. So you can't do anything, not even type. Ping. This is. The VPN is also not working. Alright then. I'm thinking of pausing the video till this starts working because there's no point of you guys like watching this because of the current issue, just the stupid internet issue. We got a letter here. Oh, we got two letters here. Let's go back one. Actually, let's just Control C. Honestly, this is pointless. But yeah, you guys want to read this user.txt file, go ahead. It just goes straight to this. And you got all perms here. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna actually pause it and then wait till the internet works and then continue on from there. So yeah, be right back. Alright, I'm back. I don't know, like, I paused the video for like 2 minutes and now it started working. So I think this should be working as well, hopefully. It should. The only reason why I'm looking at this is because I don't have to stag hide. Is that what we installed? Okay, so it has a passphrase thing. That's what I wanted to see. Because it's not working, that's why I'm tempted to just use this right now. As this one is on my own box. Let's see how it works. Do we get... Is it a VPN issue? I don't want issues like this. I mean, I can just do wget and it should work. It is connected then. I'm not aborting the session, bro. Yep, it's just having its own issues now. The best thing to do, since I did cut this, is I should cut this as well and rerun this. Set L port, let's change this to 9001 and run this. It's not working either. I guess this might just be one of those videos that I'm gonna have to cut short. I'm gonna pause until I fix this. I don't want you guys watching these type of issues. Okay, that worked again. Let's see. Initialize sequence completed. Perfect. And I think we can use the run command now. Did. This thing is completely frozen. Sending backdoor command. I think we can close this and open this. Yeah, I have it in my notes as well, the password. I guess I'll try that until this works. What the hell is it? Is it this? No, is this? Steg hide. So how do you do this? Okay, yeah. So extract. Extracting options. S. Yes. Okay, pass.txt. What the hell? I'm assuming this is a password. And I actually think it worked. Let's do SSH. Bro, this piece of shit. This piece of shit, like seriously. Let's try this. Okay, we're in. Now, sudo L work. Yeah, it won't. Now, is this a Windows or Linux machine? It's a Linux machine. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to uname/a gcc. Now we have access to everything. Oh, okay. ls, nothing here. Documents, double check everything. That's the backup.txt that we saw, or the backup file. Downloads, nothing here. Music, pictures, public, templates, nothing. CD videos, nothing. Let's clear this. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's go var. Oh, I should check if I'm in any groups. I don't think any of these groups are useful. Maybe the LPA admin one is useful, but we have hack trick somewhere here, right? The wheels group, shadow group, disk group, video group. I think we're in the video group. Okay, W. No, we don't got anything besides ourselves. Interesting. That's cool. Alright, nothing here. Let's continue on. Oops, I don't, wait, backups. I don't think we have access to any of these things. Nope, we don't. Let's go back here. Cat executable slash password is a good check. I'm also going to check this file if we maybe have write access into it. No, we don't. You know, like I countered a box that we did have write access, which was actually kind of sneaky. Okay, so this page only has these two things. Nothing else. Cat index.old might be worth a read. Sites enabled. Oh, there's another one here. Okay, we can leave that. I guess there's nothing here. Temp, probably not going to have anything. Run. I mean, I just say let's get limpies on here and see what we can find. Opt. Let's get limpies on here. Locate limpies.sh. Let's move this over here. Python 3m. Let's go back here. 10.14.12. Output limpies. Shimon plus x. Okay, that was weird. Shimon plus x. Alright then, let's close this real quick. Collapse. Is someone else on this box? No. So we have PwnKit, which is probable. We're probably going to try this, and Dirty Cow. GCC was installed on here, so that's probably the way in. Double check anything else. This does not look interesting. This export thing we encountered as well. I don't think we're going to be utilizing this at all for this. Authentication, blah, blah. I mean, they do have this, which could be something. Let's see here. There seems to be a command running. sh sleep this. What the hell? I think that's ours. Yep. Bin cron tab. This seems interesting. Internal. I don't think this is interesting. I believe this is LDAP as well. GCC is here. Unknown pseudo binary. This is also something we should check out. Ooh, this as well. So let's take this and put in my notes. Nano notes. Let's go all the way down here. Put this here. Is procmeal common? Get the fuck out, wins. So we do have this. I'm familiar with this, but I don't think this is gonna work. We can give this a shot as well. Yeah, okay, let's go a bit down. Oh, we should also check this. Oof. That's also a nice find. Am I able to go all the way down here? Alright, let's first do this. Alright, how about that? And the next thing that we noticed was that's a directory. Alright, so we can cut that out. Pwn kit and cow or dirty cow. dirty cow. These are the two things we gotta try. First, we're gonna look at this binary real quick. And what we're gonna do is just run this. Temp list users not found. This is an error message that this thing is running. Let's do strings on this. It apparently just runs that. Alright, I think you guys know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get MSF Venom. Show Linux host. Let's change this to 9001. Elf. And what was it called? List users. Oh, never mind. List users. So Python 3, 80 list users. Do we get 10, 10, 14.12 list users output? List users. Perfect. And apparently we now have two. I'm actually going to do Shaman. We're going to do Shaman for these ones. List users, and then we can do list users dot one as well. I'm going to run the first one just to see if we actually connect back to us. We'll put 9001. What the hell, why is it already in use? By what? I mean by that. Let's see if it works. This didn't work. Same thing as that thing that happened before. I'm gonna remove list users and just do move list users one and make it list users. And I'm gonna rerun it to see if I can get a connection. File. Strange. What if I do wget again? Let's do left right and let's do Python 3 here. I'm going to change wget to curl. Maybe that is the solution. No. Alright, I guess wget it is. Oh, and it only gave me one this time. Okay, that's perfect. Shaman plus X. List users. Isn't elf format. Why is it in binary? Okay, let's see what happens if we run the command again. Let's close this and do notes here. So it is running that, it's just giving an error over here. I guess we're having an issue with the list users for some reason. I don't actually know the issue. I'm gonna go to my notes. Maybe I'm forgetting something because this should definitely work. Local privilege escalation. Permissions, nope. Environment base, nope. Service base. Do I not have anything here regarding this? Well, cron job. Create Linux binary MS7 Venom. Let's check it out. Isn't that what I did? Nine thousand one 10.10.14.12. This time I'm just changing the payload. Let's see if this actually works. Python 3, and let's get this. Let's do wget. Actually, let's do remove list users first. Okay. Wget 10.10.14.12. Output list users. Shaman plus X list users. Why isn't it executing? Let's run. Okay. So I am going to change the type of MS-Venom thing that I'm running here. Change the payload, and let's instead do. No. If I write bash here. Yep. Okay. So what we are now do is I don't think it matters if we do this or not. And let's just do list users. Come on. Cat list users. Okay, I'm like so fucking not far off. Oh my goodness. Uh, Here, let's make this quick. Linux. bash. Alright, this is what we need. Cat shell. And I'm actually going to do nano shell. And I'm going to edit this to just do... No, how do you do this? Bin bash. Let me double check. Bin bash. Alright, this was it. Great. So let's save this as that, and now let's do Python 3 and get this over there. If I do this, remove list users, and shell put list users, cat list users. Okay, remove list users, cat shell. Now what am I going to do is I'm going to move shell and make that list users. Let's run list users. Shaman plus X list users. Double check to see if it works. We're going to change this to 2, 3, 4. It worked. ID, great. So we can cancel this out. And let's take where is it? This, and just run it like that. It should work now. What the hell? Oh, connection refused. Oof. I got it, like, I'm just feeling excited. Yeah, perfect. ID, and we are root. So if you see over here, here's the pass.txt. I don't know what this is for. But yeah, we're root here, and we're good to go. It says right over here, UID root. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys learned something. I did, which was running this command. I think in this machine, this would have also worked. PwnKit or Dirty Cow, I think these would have worked as well due to the machine being very old. And yeah, that is kind of it. So it was pretty easy, honestly. I wouldn't rate it medium. I think the Steghide one might have been quite difficult for people to find out. I think mainly because I ran into some technical internet difficulties. I was like, bro, let me just see this, right? And I've also, in my, while I was studying cybersecurity, we had to create a vulnerable machine, right? And my group, we created actually a Steghide machine, so I was already familiar with this. Like, we literally had an image where we had something stored inside of it, and that was kind of it, and it was on the website. So that's what led me to actually try that. So, yeah, take care, guys, and see ya.